So if you're an active ClickFunnels user or you used to be using ClickFunnels, but you know that ClickFunnels can really power up your network marketing business and get it to extreme heights where you can scale it to whatever level you want. I'm going to lay out in this entire video, it only goes for 10 minutes, exactly how to set up your entire funnel. I'll lay out the exact process that you need to have. And by the end of this video, you'll be able to implement your own. You'll be able to put in all the videos, put in all your presentations, and it's going to really help you utilize ClickFunnels effectively, and you'll know exactly what you need to do moving forward. So this is going to be a really good video. I suggest taking notes or even just like watching it again if you need to. But let's get right into it, guys. And I remember when I first started network marketing, I did so many presentations, and and I remember my upline even did. I remember she said she did something like presentations from 6 a.m. all the way through to 10 p.m. And I'm like, how can you do that? Like, how can you constantly be doing presentations over and over again, the exact same one? And I remember thinking to myself, like, is there a way for me to do one presentation and just have the whole world see it? And I had no idea until I discovered ClickFunnels. And once I discovered it, I went all through the learning curve. I read Russell's books. I watched other people who were in the ClickFunnels space, and everything just went great. It was a bit hard at first, but once I learned to actually lay out the funnel correctly and know the exact framework that I needed to have to really grow my network marketing business using ClickFunnels, everything changed. So we're going to head on to the whiteboard, and I'm going to teach you exactly what you need to do in your funnel. So let's get into it. I'll just quickly share the whiteboard. So, okay, so I'm not sure if you're someone in network marketing, but I can definitely tell that you're either in network marketing or you're either an active ClickFunnels user or you know about ClickFunnels. So this is the exact process you need to have. So firstly, you need to consider two things, okay? So I'm going to try draw, and I'm not really good at this, but so where is it? Text. Okay, so there's two things that you need to consider before you even make your funnel, okay? So there's two target markets in network marketing. There is the business opportunity. So that is number one. And the second one is you'll get products. So you'll pretty much get product consumers, and you'll be growing your business by getting people on auto ship, okay? So the next one is product consumers. So you need to pick which one you want to do, because if you're going to try to do both, you're going to have two funnels up. You're going to be running ads to both of them. You're going to be prospecting you're going to be prospecting people for the product side. You're going to be prospecting people for the business side. And it's just going to be really frustrating, okay? So you don't want that. You want to just pick one. If you want to do both, go for it. But I suggest picking one, okay? I'm the business opportunity side, okay? So we're going to go with that for this video. And don't stress too much, because you can easily adapt it to product consumers if you want to do that, okay? So since you already have whatever your target market is, whatever target market you want to have, the next step is to actually lay out the funnel process. Like, what do you want to put in your funnel that is going to be able to capture leads, convert them into business builders, okay? So obviously the first part is getting leads. I'm not really going to explain this too much, because there's so many ways to get leads, okay? So obviously is get leads. I'll write down a few methods for you. So there's paid advertising. There is active, which is prospecting. Then there is also passive. If you're someone who does videos or podcasts, kudos to you. I do it as well. It's so awesome. I suggest you doing it. It'll change your life and your business, okay? So there's passive, which is YouTube. Going to be Facebook Lives as well. Podcast. Okay. So the whole point of getting leads is to feed every single one of them. So people from paid for advertising, people from prospecting, people from your passive marketing, all into the one place, okay? And the very first place you want to send them in your funnel is pretty much it's your capture page, okay? It's where you have your headline, your story, and offer, okay? So we're going to draw a box, and I can draw this over. Yep, okay? So, and I'll draw an arrow. So people from paid advertising go into it, people from prospecting go into it, and people from your passive marketing go from it, okay? So you got all these different sources of leads who are all going into this one spot, okay? That's the power of it. It's like you can get leads from everywhere and they all go into this one area. Imagine how many people you could be getting into your capture page, okay? So here's your capture page. And then your capture page is going to be something like, for me, it's since I go for Business Builder, all I have is a simple video. It's like how I sponsor more interested prospects every single month with predictability using automation, okay? And that's pretty much it. You can have your own. You can have different ones, like how I sponsor more interested team members using, I don't know, funnels or something. Anything you want, okay? So the basic is how to achieve. This is very simple, guys. You can do like, let me bring it down. So how to achieve a goal in as little as, you know, X time period without biggest fear. Okay, you're gonna do something like that. And then at the bottom, you're gonna have, this is what you're gonna have. Where is it? Let's just draw, where are the colors? Okay, then you're gonna have a big red button or whatever button color you want. And it's gonna be like, click here to watch the presentation, okay? So this is the cool part, right? So when they click that, they're gonna hop over to this next page. So this is the second step in your funnel, okay? When you're at ClickFunnels, you'll have that capture page as your first page. And when they click the red button, they're also gonna receive an email where they say, hey, if you click this, they open the email and they say, hey, click this link, and it's gonna go to the video that you requested, the presentation, okay? So this is the cool part. See this presentation, see this presentation here? This is exactly where you've mastered the perfect presentation, okay? So maybe you're a network marketer who's doing presentations week in and week out. Maybe you're doing it daily and you're sick and tired of doing presentations every single day because you're saying the same thing to the same people and you're constantly getting objections and you're the one that has to face the objections head on. Imagine you like cut out all their false objections. You got rid of all their false beliefs and all their objections in this one single presentation. This is a master presentation that you can do. And because it's completely automated on ClickFunnels, you'll only have to ever do it once, okay? The only time I do suggest changing it is if you get advice and feedback from all the people who did watch your presentation and they say, hey, I wish this was in it, or I need more clarity on this topic, okay? And then you can go do the presentation again once you do get a lot of feedback, and then you'll have an even better presentation, okay? So this is where, I can't write it. So you'll have your, this is on the second page. You'll have your headline again. And then if you look just below it, that's where the video is gonna be, okay? And that's gonna be running automatically, okay? So I use Wistia. You can use YouTube or you can use anything you want. Wistia is free. You get 3 videos free. Once you start uploading more videos than that, you got to pay. But if you're only going to use one presentation, then feel free. You can always just have this one. You can use it for free. Okay. So there's your video. And I have a thing called, I can't remember the name. But once I get into my offer, so once I talk about the 3 secrets and I talk to them why, what they're doing wrong in their network marketing business, what the problem is that they're encountering and why and what they should be doing instead, then I offer the solution to work with me in my team, okay? And when I do start doing that offer, that's where a button pops up, okay? So below this video, when I do start saying my offer, this button pops up, okay? And this button is like, yes, basically what I'm saying in my first is schedule a strategy session, okay? So they can schedule a call with me where I just talk about their business and I can offer them a way to actually succeed in network marketing by joining my team, okay? Super powerful. I hope you're getting a lot of value from this. So this pops up when I do start my offer. If they're interested, they click on this and then what happens next is they lead on to the 3rd step in the funnel, okay? So let's change this back to red. Hope I can fit this all on the one page. Wrong color. Okay, so I'm gonna do this again because my OCD. Okay, so go to the next stage in the funnel and then it's like a different headline now. So the headline is book your, oh no, it's if I can spell, schedule your call today, okay? Simple as that. And what you're gonna do is you're going to use a little snippet of code to put in, what's it called? It's to put in like different times, okay? So it's a website called You Can Book With Me, and it pretty much gives you, it enables you to be able to put this consultation time period on your page, okay? So they can select any time they want. They can select 8 a.m., 9 p.m., 4 p.m., whatever time you select, okay? For me, I have 8 p.m. to 9 p.m., something like that. And I have a few breaks between like lunchtime and dinner time because I don't want to have calls during then. I want to be able to eat, okay? So that's what you'll have here. You'll have like a mini calendar where they can pretty much select a time, okay? So let's just draw that. This looks all right. So they'll have different times here. And what I like to do is make it a bit more formal. I like to make it a bit more engaging, like I'm actually speaking with my prospects and leads. And I have this little video here, okay? And I can draw this. Yep, I'll do this again. Okay, so schedule your call today, and then I'd say a little video like, hey, thanks for booking your schedule. Or this is how you schedule your call. Once you schedule your call, you're gonna get an email from me, and I'll also get an email. We'll both put the time in our diary, and I hope we can meet there on time, not late, so we can give you the results that you've been wanting in your network marketing business by showing you the right framework and giving you the clarity that you need in your business to actually move forward. Okay, something as simple as that, but it really makes them feel like I'm engaging with them. And that's what I want it to be. I don't want to have like little videos in there and just make it very, very on the down low, if you know what I mean, okay? So when they pick a time, it's going to also come up with a few questions. And it's like, hey, what's your name? What's your email? How's your network marketing business going so far? If you're already with a company, what company are you with? All these simple questions, okay? Pretty much allows me to know my prospect a little bit more before I actually have the call with them, okay? And then the last and final step in the ClickFunnels, in this funnel is pretty much just a thank you confirmation page, okay? Something as simple as that. So, done the wrong color again. Sorry, guys. Yep. Then it's literally the same thing. This is the final step. You have another text where you're gonna have, thanks for booking. And then literally just another simple, my video is only 2 minutes, okay? And I have a video here with another play button. And pretty much I just say, hey, there's 3 things I don't want you to know before you do have a call with me. And it's simple things. You can do this in your video as well. So I say, please be in an environment where there's no noise, you're not in your kitchen, there's no pots and pans banging, you're not on the bus or you're not on the train where there's a bunch of noise. And then there's like, bring a pen and paper because I'm going to be giving you a lot of value. And I can't remember the last one, okay? But you can think of your own. But that's basically what I do. And this is the best way to do your network marketing funnel, okay? Obviously, there's a bunch of other ways. Webinars or like these presentations are the most effective because you're able to actually cut out their false objections. You're able to address the problems that they're facing in their network marketing business because you're going to have your own target audience. And that's what I should actually mention before we start getting leads. So if you put back here, I'm going to assume you guys know about target audience since most of you should be in network marketing or ClickFunnels. Doesn't matter, okay? So you need to have your target audience, then you get your leads, then you take them to your capture page. They go to the headline where your capture page, where your video is on your presentation or your webinar. And then once you present your offer, they can click this and they schedule their call and then they get thank you, okay? And that's all it is. It's very simple. I really hope this helped you if you're struggling to, do your network marketing business using ClickFunnels. Obviously, there's a bunch of other ways. Like I said, you can use a value ladder so you can sell low ticket products and high ticket products and then eventually pitch them on the back end to join your network marketing opportunity. But other than that, I hope you got a lot of value from this video. If you want to see my presentation, I'd love for you to go see it. Go to www.warriornetworker.com and you can follow the prompts. The buttons are there. You can easily watch it and you can go through my entire process if you'd like, okay? But that's my call to action to you. If this helps a lot, please let me know in the comments down below and I hope you have a great day. Thanks, guys.